JBL Stage 2604C. Review and installation. Guide, worth buying for your car audio system. Looking to upgrade your factory car speakers without spending a fortune? The JBL Stage 2604C is a 6.5-inch component speaker system designed to deliver clearer and more detailed sound. But is it worth buying? If you're interested in checking out this product, I've tagged it in this video, and you can find it through the product link in the description. The Stage 2604C uses polypropylene woofers with separate PEI balanced dome tweeters. Since this is a component system, helping create a more defined front soundstage, 170 watts peak, with 4 ohm impedance, 91 decibel sensitivity, and a frequency response of 55 Hz to 20 kHz. The package also includes external crossovers. You get 2 woofers, 2 tweeters, 2 crossovers, mounting hardware, and grills. For installation, but compatibility depends on your vehicle. Before buying, check the speaker dimensions, mounting depth, wiring, and available space in your specific car. One of the biggest advantages is sound clarity. Compared with basic factory speakers, a component setup can provide better separation between vocals, instruments, and higher frequencies. The 91 decibel sensitivity also means they can work reasonably well with many factory head units. Although adding an amplifier can provide more power and headroom, there are some limitations. These speakers aren't designed to deliver deep subwoofer-level bass, and a 45-watt RMS rating should be considered when choosing an amplifier. Overall, the JBL Stage 2604C is a good option for drivers who want a straightforward component upgrade with separate tweeters and external crossovers. You'll still want a dedicated subwoofer. Sound of a car audio system, the 604C is worth considering. If you want to check the latest details or buy this product, I've tagged it in the video. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments what product you'd like to see next.